Hey guys, how's it going? Well, it is the end of January and now it's time for me to update my sinking funds slash bill buffer box. And I want to try to condense as much as I can. Probably won't be much to condense, but I want to try to keep it small so I can fill it to its fullest. How's your day going? I hope it's doing fabulously well. I have my coffee here because it is morning and it's chilly here. It is chilly. So I wanted to make sure I was hype enough with my coffee and ready to present my sinking funds update. So I have here printed out my sheet of all the bills that are listed in my sinking fund slash bill buffer box. And these are all the bills that I feel we are basically responsible for in our entire household. Some my husband covers, some I cover, but together we're a team. So if anything was to happen, I wanted to create these sinking funds and a bill buffer just in case we needed some backup, because you never can be too careful or too sure that things won't happen because we don't know. What I did was I grabbed $50, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50 from my regular savings account. And I did it in this small denomination because, like I said, I don't think I have much to condense in the box. It may surprise me, I don't know, but I'm going to switch this out if I can and condense it a bit. But if I don't use it, or if I do use it, it's going back to the bank. But I needed to have a backup of just little bills just in case. My buffer box is not in any particular order. I will acknowledge that the first fully funded envelope that I was able to do for January is my savings. And this is just my temporary savings to cover something that may happen, on a very emergency type basis. Something, sometimes things happen over the weekend where you don't have access to the bank. Yes, you have your debit card, but what if you need cash? So that's what this is for. And the fully funded amount that I dedicated to it was $300. So that's what's in here. I'm not going to worry about trying to condense this, but I do want to count it just to make sure. And you know what? I might, because this is fully funded. So maybe I can get these fives out of here. Yeah, I might be able to do that. Let's see. 150, 250, 270, 290, 295, 300. So I will take these two fives because I may end up needing those. And I'll put a 10 in here. And that will condense that down to everything I'm able to condense down, because I don't have any 50s anywhere. And I just created this little fully funded little envelope using some envelopes that GN Budgets over at, that is it. GN Budgets, Grace over at GN Budget sent me. But I really wanted to find some of the fully funded little inserts that I've seen on some of the channels, but I have not been able to do that yet, but maybe I'll get to it eventually. So sinking funds, savings, we're going to start there. It is fully funded in January with $300. And I'm not going to write fully funded or anything like that on this paper, because I may have to use this over the period of this year, because I have all 12 months lined up at the top. And as it comes and goes, if it comes and goes, then I'll just write down what I have at the end of each month. So that's how I plan to do that. The next one is life insurance, and life insurance has just $1 right now. So let's do that. And like I said, I don't have these in any particular order, so I may be back and forth. Beauty and self-care has $2. And believe me, you guys, these little small bills, they do add up. They really do add up. Pets has $1. And I wish I had these in alphabetical order. That would make it easier, but I don't. Scooter insurance has $1. I think all my insurances are on here. Medical products, services, so forth has $5, $6, $7, $8, $9. And again, these are envelopes that I can put in or take from at any given time. Yes, I would like to accomplish the fully funded amounts for the year and leave it in there and not have to touch it. But that's not what sinking funds and bill buffers are about in my household. I'm not sure how you do them in your household, but for me, they're to be used if I need them used. Vehicle upkeep. Let's see. I don't think I have, let me see. I have car maintenance, vehicle upkeep. Maybe that's one that I added later. I'm gonna write it down here. That's why I have the empty spaces at the bottom, because I may have left something off, but it has $1. Miscellaneous has nothing right now. Where's miscellaneous? Right here. Okay. Ring security currently has $3. This is my alarm system. Rental insurance for my U-Haul storage has $5. Car and tag registration has 5, 10, 15. I can take this out and give it a 10 to reduce that and make it $15. Car registration, I have it listed here as car tags, so $15. This is the list that I created when I first started my bill buffer box, so it may have changed over the time, who knows. Dental insurance has $2. Car insurance has $2. Groceries eating out has $5. Cell and equipment has $2. Trash and water has 10, 15, 16, 17, $18 in it. 18. Electricity currently has 120, 21, 22, 23, $123. And partly this is because my bill was lowered and I was able to roll over the difference, $123. Her personal allowance is 0. Here it is. Subscriptions and apps has $1. Household goods has $4. And like I said, I noticed I did not have to have too much for condensing, but I wanted to have it just in case. My tins are gone, so that's a good thing. Cable internet has $2. Vehicle maintenance does not have anything. House maintenance has $2. My main goal is to not get discouraged. Pet care has 0. Don't get discouraged because you see $1 here, $2 here, $1 there, $1 there. It adds up, and when you need it, pull it. And when you can rebuild it, rebuild it. That's the big thing about that. His credit card has 0 in it. His personal allowance has 0 in it. Mortgage currently has 0 in it. Natural gas has $3. Really trying to build that up these winter months, but it may be difficult because gas in the wintertime in my household is high. Electricity is low in the wintertime. U-Haul storage is $5. Switch these around. Vacation and travel has $1. My credit cards have $1. Vehicle gas has $1. clothing and shoes have $10, and I'm out of 10, so I'm have to leave these 2 5s in here for now, which is fine. Clothing and shoes have $10. Giving has $3. And lastly, Life Happens have $2. So just like I assumed, Waste Management does not even have an envelope. Taxes does not have an envelope. And I think I took taxes off of here, which is why it's empty and don't have an envelope, because I decided to keep it in my business binder. So it's part of my business budget. So the taxes and the waste management, I'll probably create a waste management one, but I probably will not ever create a taxes one for my personal household budget. It'll remain in business. And then maybe I will add vehicle upkeep. And there's a couple more that I may want to add to this list just in case. But for now, these are my balances and this is what I have. So thank you guys for watching, and whatever time it is that you're watching, day or night, enjoy yourself. Let me grab my coffee. You grab you some coffee, and I'll check you later. Bye-bye.